Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here, and today we will talk about one of the most popular series of Samsung. Yes, we will talk about the Galaxy A53. It's the new generation and yes, it's a little bit too close to what we saw last year, but at the same time, it has some nice stuff. Let's take a look at that. At first glance, the Galaxy A53 doesn't look different from the previous generation. The screen is the same bright 6.5-inch AMOLED display found in the A52s, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and Full HD resolution. Packed with the new Exynos 1280 SoC, the Galaxy A53 offers good performance in regular apps and even games, without presenting any stability or heat problems in our tests. In the photography area, the triple camera is unchanged from the A52 and offers good pictures overall, but lacks a dedicated telephoto lens. The battery life of the A53 is pretty decent. We got 2 days of run times during testing. Unfortunately, charging is done at a maximum of only 25 watts, and there is no charger in the box. To read the full review, click on the link in the description below, and don't forget to follow NextPit on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for more reviews, news and tutorials. So, this is it. This is the Galaxy A53. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I would love to read it. So, see you next time. Bye!